Step 7 in the selling process is contingency removal. Now, contingency removal is when the buyer has completed all of their inspections. They've had their home inspection, they've had their appraisal, if they've wanted to check for permits or do any other investigations. They've read through disclosures as well as HOA documents if the HOA is, if there is an HOA in fact. And at this point, the buyer has decided, yes, I want to move forward with purchasing this property, and so they are going to remove all of their contingencies. Now, removal of contingencies puts the buyer's deposit at risk. What that means is that if the buyer should decide that they do not want to purchase the property after they have removed all of their contingencies, then the buyer and the seller need to negotiate what is going to be fair to be able to have that escrow closed out, or canceled rather, and have dispersal of the buyer's earnest money deposit. The buyer and seller need to agree whether that deposit is going to be forfeited to the seller, or if it's going to be split between both parties, or if all of the funds are going to just be distributed back to the buyer. So that is a case-by-case basis. There is no hard and fast rule. And again, at risk does not necessarily mean the buyer forfeits. So we'll cover that on a case-by-case basis.